Hey guys, am I visible? Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. So as you can see by the title, I am doing an apartment tour, an empty apartment tour. So I am moving in like a now. I just got my keys and I'm just gonna show you guys like how the apartment looks while it's empty, and then I'm gonna do an updated version of this in a couple of months, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, let's go. Say hi to my little brother.
Hello.
You guys, with this whole COVID-19 stuff, like I'm constantly wearing my mask like this so that I don't forget it. Can I have the keys? So just gonna turn the camera. Which one is it? Oh, this one. Are you guys ready? So, welcome to the crib. So it's still empty. We are gonna start off in the kitchen area. So this is the door and the kitchen. Where my fridge is gonna be, and more cupboards. I think here I'm gonna put like spices and stuff, and there's more storage here, and this is where like the washing machine, dishwasher and all of that goes. The sink, I like how there's so much sunlight this side, and here this is the stove, and this is the kitchen, and this is the little island. You guys, when I moved, they gave me these as a gift, like home sweet home. It's like chocolate and stuff. Yeah. And yeah, so this is the empty living room. And this is the balcony. And it has like a mini bar area, so if I want to invite my friends and everything, they are gonna have a nice time. So now follow me into the first bedroom. So it's two bedroom, 2 bathroom apartment, and this is the 1 bedroom, and this is the cupboards. Quite spacious, and this is gonna possibly be my filming room, because I'm gonna have a filming room where I do all my YouTube stuff and tutorials and all of that. So this is probably gonna be the one. So we'll decide. I haven't decided. So here is the first bathroom with like shower, toilet, and here is the sink and the tap and all of that. So now follow me into the second bathroom. Oh, there's more storage here, like if I want to put my, I don't know what, inside, because I have a lot of things. I'm like a hoarder. So in here it's like the main bathroom. Little storage. This is probably gonna be my skincare. Things in the toilet, bathroom. I am in the office tub so much. And now we are in the. I like both bedrooms for different reasons. Like that side, the sun rises, and this is where like the sun sets. So in terms of lighting, I love both of them, but in terms of the view, I think I'd rather wake up to this than actually seeing people like jog and all of that. So same thing, same storage and all of that. Yeah. So I will be giving you guys an updated tour of the apartment once everything is furnished and once I've moved everything, because I still don't know how I'm going to design the place. So, but I'm like super excited and so ready to like play around with this stuff. I'm so sorry if you guys have like a lot of echo and all of that. But yeah, this is my 2020 wasn't a bad year for me. I mean, I was crying with some people, but yes, I'm so excited. I can't wait. You guys are going to be seeing more tutorials, more of everything, more of my life, basically. So, until next time.